Let's look at question 12 here. It asks us angle A is complementary of angle B. If we know angle A is 36, what is angle B? Well, the key word here is looking at the word complementary. Complementary means that the two angles add up to 90 degrees. So that means angle A plus angle B have to add up to 9 degrees. Let's make the substitution for angle A, which is going to be 36, plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees. If we subtract 36 to both sides, this left side cancels. Angle B is equal to 54 degrees. Next, angle C is supplementary to angle D. If angle D is 117, what is the measurement of angle C? The word supplementary means something very important. This means adds up to 180 degrees. This allows you to set up the equation angle C plus angle D is equal to 117. Adds up to 180. Angle D is 117, so that is the substitution that we can make. Subtract 117 to both sides, we can see angle C is equal to 180 minus 117, which is 63 degrees. So there you go. That is how you find those missing values based on the description of the angle measurements.